This is Scrapbook.com and we're at the Reminisce booth looking at a beautiful new autumn line called Autumn Splendor. And this is for everyone who loves autumn, which is everyone, right? So Autumn Splendor, this is a kit you can get. It's 8 12 by 12 papers. You get 2 sheets per design and a coordinating sticker sheet. You can also get them all in singles too. This sticker sheet that it comes with, we'll take a look at now. I love all the beautiful sayings, and they all have fallen leaves on them, so these rectangles are each stickers. Oh autumn, it's nice to see you again, and all at once summer collapsed into fall. So kind of romantic, sweet autumn collection that you can use for layouts, cards, anything. I like this. Autumn came with wind and gold, so really pretty. We're going to take a look at some of the papers in the collection really quick. I love this painterly autumn scene. It looks so pretty, perfect for your backgrounds, for your autumn layouts. Then I also want to share this one that looks like watercolor here. I have another autumn scene. That looks like a painting that someone did. It looks so textured and pretty. I love this sheet. This one's called Autumn Leaves if you want to look it up in the store. And then here's a layout to give you a little bit of inspiration. This was used with the autumn leaves paper I just showed you. It's not textured, it just looks textured. But this is just to give you a little bit of inspiration on how you can use Reminisce's new fall line, Autumn Splendor. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!